Welcome to CAMS Kalvi channel. In the video, 10th standard social economics unit 4 government and taxes and the lesson bookpa questions, PTA questions, government model questions paakalam. Choose the correct answer. The three levels of governments in India are union, state and local. In India, taxes are including both A and B. Direct taxes, indirect taxes are including. Which is the role of the government and development policies? All of above. The most common and important tax levied on an individual in India is income tax, under which tax one nation, one uniform tax is ensured. Goods and services tax. Income tax was introduced in India for the first time in the year 1860. Seventh one, wealth tax is charged on the benefits derived from property ownership. What are identified as causes of black money? All of above. Fill in the blanks. Tax is levied by government for the development of the state's economy. The origin of the word tax is from the word taxation. The burden of the direct tax cannot be shifted to others. The Goods and Service Tax Act came into effect on 1st July 2017. The unaccounted money that is concealed from the tax administrator is called black money. Choose the correct statement. Which of the following statement is correct about GST? GST is a one-point tax. This aims to replace all direct tax levied on goods and services by the central and state governments. It will be implemented from 1st July 2017 throughout the country. It will nullify the tax structure in India. Correct statement 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Second one is false. Match the following: income tax, direct tax; excise duty, indirect tax; VAT, value added tax; GST, 1st July 2017; black money, smuggling. Fifth Roman, give short answers. First question, define tax. Professor Seligman also defined a tax as a compulsory contribution from a person to the government to defray the expenses incurred in the common interest of all, without reference to special benefits conferred. Second question, why we pay tax to the government? The paying of taxes aims to raise revenue to fund governance or to alter prices in order to affect demand. States and their functional equivalents throughout history have used money provided by taxation to carry out many functions. Some of these include expenditures on economic infrastructure, military, scientific research, culture and the arts, public works and public insurance and the operation of governments itself. Third question, what are the types of tax? Give examples. There are two types of taxes, namely direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes. Some direct taxes are income tax, wealth tax and corporation tax. Indirect taxes, some indirect taxes are stamp duty, entertainment tax, excise duty and goods and service tax. Fourth question, write short note on goods and service tax. Goods and service tax is defined as the tax levied when a consumer buys a good or service that aims to replace all indirect taxes levied on goods and services by the central and state government. GST would eliminate the cascading effect of taxes on the production and distribution of goods and services. It is a one-point tax with a motto: one nation, one market, one tax. What is progressive tax? Progressive tax rate is one in which the rate of taxation increases as the tax base increases. The amount of tax payable is calculated by multiplying the tax base with the tax rate. When income increases, the tax rate also increases. This is known as progressive tax. Sixth question, what is meant by black money? Black money is funds earned on the black market on which income and other taxes have not been paid. The unaccounted money that is concealed from the tax administrator is called black money. What is tax evasion? Tax evasion is the illegal evasion of taxes by individuals, corporations and trusts. Tax evasion often entails taxpayers deliberately misrepresenting the true state of their affairs to the tax authorities to reduce their tax liability. They include dishonest tax reporting, such as declaring less income, profits or gains than the amounts actually earned, or overstating deductions. Write any two difference between tax and payments. Tax payments. Tax is compulsory to the government without getting any direct benefits. Fee is the payment for getting any service. Tax is a compulsory payment. Fee is a voluntary payment. Brief answer. First detail. Explain some direct and indirect taxes. Direct taxes. A tax imposed on an individual or organization which is paid directly is a direct tax. Some direct taxes are income tax. Income tax is the most common and most important tax levied on an individual in India. It is charged directly based on the income of a person. The rate at which it is charged varies depending on the level of income. Corporate tax. This tax is levied on companies that exist as separate entities from their shareholders. It is charged on royalties, interest gains from sale of capital assets located in India and fees for technical services and dividends. Wealth tax. Wealth tax is charged on the benefits derived from property ownership. The same property will be taxed every year on its current market value. The tax is levied on the individuals and companies alike. Indirect taxes. If the burden of the tax can be shifted to other, it is an indirect tax. Some indirect taxes are stamp duty. Stamp duty is a tax that is paid on official documents like marriage registration or documents related to a property and in some contractual agreements. Entertainment tax. Entertainment tax is a duty that is charged by the government on any source of entertainment provided. This tax can be charged on movie tickets, tickets to amusement parks, exhibitions, and even sports events. Excise duty. An excise tax is any duty on manufactured goods levied at the moment of manufacture rather than at scale. Excise is typically imposed in addition to an indirect tax such as a sales tax. Second detail, write the structure of GST. Structure of goods and services tax. State goods and services tax. Intrastate, within the state, VAT, sales tax, purchase tax, entertainment tax, luxury tax, lottery tax and state surcharged and seizures. Central goods and service tax. Intrastate, central excise duty, service tax, countervailing duty, additional duty of customs, surcharged education and higher secondary cess, integrated goods and service tax. Interstate, there are four major GST rates: 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Almost all the necessities of life like vegetables and food grains are exempted from this tax. 30th, what is black money? Write the causes of black money. Black money is funds earned on the black market on which income and other taxes have not been paid. The uncounted money that is concealed from the tax administrator is called black money. Causes of black money. Several sources of black money are identified as causes. Shortage of goods. Shortage of goods, whether natural or artificial, is the root cause of black money. Controls are often introduced to check black money. Licensing proceedings. It is firmly believed that the system of controls, permits, queues and licenses are associated with mal-distribution of commodities in short supply, which results in generation of black money. Contribution of the industrial sector. Industrial sector has been major contributor to black money. For example, the controller of public limited companies tries to buy commodities at low prices and get them billed at high amounts and pockets the difference personally. Smuggling is one of the major sources of black money. When India had rigid system of exchange controls, precious metals like gold and silver, textiles and electronics goods were levied in a heavy excise duty. Tax structure. When the tax rate is high, more black money is generated. PTA questions and answers. 1 mark. Find the odd one. Income tax, wealth tax, corporate tax, goods and services. Goods and service tax. Choose the incorrect statement. Shortage of goods, whether natural or artificial, is the root cause of black money. Industrial sector has been the major contributor to black money. Smuggling is one of the major sources of black money. When the tax rate is low, more black money is generated. Incorrect statement. Fourth statement. 5 mark. Explain the role of taxation in economic development. The role of taxation in developing economics is as follows. Resource mobilization. Taxation enables the government to mobilize a substantial amount of revenue. The tax revenue is generated by imposing direct taxes such as personal income tax and corporate tax, and indirect taxes such as custom duty, excise duty, etc. Reduction in inequalities of income. Taxation follows the principle of equity. The direct taxes are progressive in nature. Also, certain indirect taxes such as taxes on luxury goods is also progressive in nature. Social welfare. Taxation generates social welfare. Social welfare is generated due to higher taxes on certain undesirable products like alcoholic products. Foreign exchange. Taxation encourages exports and restrict imports. Generally, developing countries and even the developed countries do not impose taxes on export items. Regional development. Taxation plays an important role in regional development. Tax incentives such as tax holidays for setting up industries in backward regions, which includes business firms to set up industries in such regions. Control of inflation. Taxation can be used as instrument for controlling inflation. Through taxation, the government can control inflation by reducing the tax on the commodities. இதோட யூனிட் 4ஓட புக் பேக் வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.